I'm in blue.
Okay. Sanford, I will give you. Sanko here, Sanford. Stunning and now.
Split.
Leap.
I'm gonna stay in here.
Yep, that's fine. I'll come over in a little bit. I'm coming.
Now.
Okay, we have split here.
Splitting.
We got stun at almost 5 seconds. Okay, watch the aggros here. Stun, please.
Done.
Good job. Let's finish this. Let's finish this.
Nice.
Good job. Good job.
Last.
Let's get it. Let's get it.
Blue.
Switch.
Blue.
Damn, that shit almost didn't register for me.
Back to middle.
No one saw that.
Ed, I'm just gonna give you Senko here. When it comes back up.
Red, go to red, purple.
Purple. Okay, switch. Teleport over. Teleport to blue. I'm gonna Sanko you here, Ed. Okay, switch. Purple. Perfect. Right on the teleport. Nice. Watch the aggros here. Should be me.
Shen. Oh, never mind.
Nope. Switching. All right, let's get it.
Push.
Let's get it. Try to avoid the disorients if you can. And make sure you have enough moonlight gauge. Watch the tornado here. Purple. Okay, I'm gonna get one of these. Yep. Just get back at 30. Shit. Nice job.
Red.
I'm splitting just because. So we
Yep,
can try to
that's
itch it out.
I'll leap round.
Blue.
Switch from right. Blue. Okay. Make sure you have enough moonlight gauge here. I'm gonna Sanko your head. Just using off a cooldown basically. Purple. Primo's aggro, I think, maybe.
Yep.
Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Okay, try to avoid these disorients here. Freaking annoying as hell. I remember.
Oh, watch
Tornado?
out.
Cup.
Purple.
Red.
Purple. Yep.
Recall.
Hourglass.
PP.
Remember Moonlight Gauge. Get out of there. Moonlight Gauge to heal. Let's try to get better phase 2. Remind me to stun. Get back in. Yep. Don't get hit by that. I'll finish it off here.
Just heal right now. Just heal right now.
Alright, I got HP page on.
Okay. Good call.
Don't move right.
Stancord, you ready? Watch the aggros here.
Heal.
I'm splitting.
No leap,
two.
no leap.
That's fine. I got you.
Heal.
I'm stunning here for spider. Stunning for spider. Oh, fuck. What the fuck?
Hourglass.
Heal.
Thank you. Mila, you got aggro. Yep. Knockback spider here.
Heal.
Nice.
Good job, Mila.
Heal.
Watch him might come back left.
Heal.
No. It's fine. Test is here. Just be careful of the spider here. Spider's next. Watch out. Get away from the spider. Should be next. Okay, perfect. Test.
Left, right, remember.
Yep.
Heal up.
Left, mini left, half left. Back middle. Stay. Far left. Back middle. Heal if you can. Right.
Right.
And then right again. Oh my god. Right again.
Right.
Right again. Back to middle. Right. Right again. Back to middle. Attack. Okay, make sure you guys heal up here. I got stunned here, so just be careful. I got you, Sankro, in 5 seconds. Ed,
Heal.
watch this. Spider. Watch it. No, not spider. I got you here. I got you, Sankro here.
Heal.
Spider come here. Spider.
Cup.
Heal.
I got you.
Heal.
Yeah, I got it. 1 second, Philly.
Heal.
Stun him. Can stun him.
I think we stunned at the start, right?
He's stunnable.
Are we stunnable? Okay, I'm
Heal.
stunning right here.
He's stunnable.
I stunned it. Heals, make sure he heals.
Heal.
Watch a spider here, just in case. Watch a spider, just in case. Okay, get back to middle. Middle.
Heal
Far
up.
left. Back middle. Heal up. Right, and then right again. Back to middle.
Right.
Right, and then right again. Back to middle. Stay. And then far left.
Left.
And then back middle. Stay. Far left. Back to middle. Burst. All right, sweet.
Let's go.
Let Ed get aggro here. We might be a little bit behind. Damn it.
Remember,
But-
don't move. Do not move.
Okay, we might be short on time. Might be same as last time. No, don't.
I don't
Yeah,
know.
use it at the start, I guess. Sanko, do you hear it?
Stunning.
Oh, I got knocked back right as I
Split,
tried to
split, maybe?
split. No, I couldn't. I knocked back.
leave.
Got knocked back as I split. Yeah,
I'll leave.
leave. I'm splitting again.
We got it. We got split.
Okay. Just watch aggro here. Mila, you gotta go right if you can. Oh,
Now it's
I'm
you.
aggro.
Okay, this dude.
Yeah, I see it.
I got it, cup. I got the next one.
Sanford, you got aggro.
Hat.
Move right, please. Sanford, aggro, please. Nice hat. Okay, I got it back. I got you, Sanford.
Take it.
I got right side.
Copies.
I don't have the next one.
Okay, use iframes here. Oh, fuck. Okay. I got you in 10. Just take it, Milan. Just take it.
Copies aggro.
I got you in second. I got you, Andy.
Okay, it's back to head.
Okay, I got
Can
you,
we
Sanko, in
cleanse?
3 seconds. I got you in 3 seconds. Sanko.
The next stun. Stunning.
Leap in 1 minute.
Okay, wait till the 1 minute mark left on the thing. Sanko's down in 5.
Yellow.
I don't have
Popcorn,
charge
or-
for that.
Cup. I got the next yellow.
Okay. Watch the poison here.
10 seconds. I'm waiting for split first, though. But it should reset same time.
Yeah, so when one says is up, I'm gonna split.
Split?
Is it up? Is your time up?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, I'm splitting.
Leap.
Let's get it.
I'll have the next yellow.
Okay. Let's focus on these reps. Let's try to DPS when we have our burst up. I got you in 20 seconds, Ed. Okay. Two, 1, using it. Okay, we got to be aggro on the DPS here.
Stunning in 3.
I'm a stun here. We have stun.
I got
Someone
it.
cleanse that.
Get rid of
Someone
it, get rid
cleanse
of
that.
it, get rid of it. Yep, I got it. Okay, we got to be aggro on the DPS. Let's go. We got it. Yeah, I got you. I got you. Stay. Everyone stay.
Come on, come on.
We need
Clear the web on the
cleanse.
left. Clear the web on the left. Clear the web on the left.
Somebody
Clear the
get
web on the
it.
left.
I got this one. Cup.
Nice.
Let's go,
Split.
baby. Let's go.
Oh my
Easy.
god.
Drop rate,
Oh
drop
my
rate, drop rate, drop rate. Drop rate.
Let
Everybody,
Ed
drop
hit
rate.
it. Come on,
Drop
Ed.
rate. Drop
Hurry
rate.
up, Edward. I got
Oh,
a.
I got it.
I got
Let's go.
no.
Got
I
it.
got a
I
no.
got the
Please, I
no.
got it.
Ooh, I
Let's
got no.
go.
Yeah,
I
I
got
got
the
a
no
Got no
no.
too.
too.
Everyone,
lot of
everyone,
no's.
don't leave.
Oh
Picture,
my
picture,
god.
Oh
picture. Don't
my
leave. Don't leave.
god. Good
Don't leave.
shit.
Picture, picture,
I
picture.
got the no. No way.
Me
Wait, how am I
too.
on no? It's so
Same.
sad.
Wow.
Yeah, too?
Whoever hit it has high drop rate.
I didn't even
Yeah.
swap the drop rate.
I was the
Go
one who
ahead,
hit
yeah.
it. Oh.
Oh, my heart's pounding.
Oh.
Guys, let's go.
Congrats.
Congrats.